Hey there, it's Spencer with Rainforest Plumbing and Air. Today I'm going to take you through what a pipe repair and replacement service looks like and what you can expect when you schedule with Rainforest Plumbing and Air. Pipes are the backbone of your plumbing system, and when they need attention, it's crucial to act promptly. We're here to make that process seamless and stress-free to you. First, our skilled technicians will begin by diagnosing the issue. This could range from small leaks to corroded or bursted pipes. We arrive equipped with the right tools and replacement materials to address various problems. For a leaking pipe, we may start by shutting off the water supply to that section or patching and sealing the leak. Safety is our top priority. Before we start any repair, we'll ensure the water supply is safely turned off. For more significant issues like a burst or severely damaged pipe, we'll carefully remove the affected section. Corroded pipes can be a hazard. We'll replace them with durable, corrosion-resistant materials to prevent future problems. We'll install new pipes with precision, ensuring they fit perfectly and are securely sealed. After the repair or replacement, we'll turn the water supply back on and thoroughly test the system to ensure it's leak-free and functional. To prevent future issues, consider regular inspections and maintenance. Detecting and addressing problems early can extend the lifespan of your plumbing system. Thank you for choosing Rainforest Plumbing and Air for your pipe repair and replacement needs. Your safety and peace of mind are our top priorities, and we're here to provide fast, professional service everywhere in the Phoenix metro area.